So you're lying in bed. It's 1:47 a.m. You've got that one embarrassing memory from 6 years ago playing on repeat like it's your favorite episode of failure. You're overthinking again. Why did you wave back at someone who wasn't waving at you? Why did you say "you too" when the waiter said "enjoy your meal"? Why does your brain insist on turning small moments into full-blown horror films? Look, overthinking is like trying to win an argument with a microwave. It beeps, you panic, and nobody really wins. But what if I told you there's a way out? A way to stop being the overthinking gremlin that keeps sabotaging your peace of mind? Let's break it down. Overthinking isn't a sign that you're intelligent or self-aware. It's just your brain being dramatic. It's like your mind has a flair for theater and insists on making everything about you. Someone didn't text back? They hate you. Your boss used a period instead of an exclamation mark? You're getting fired. Someone said, "We need to talk." You're obviously going to prison. Forever. Here's the first mind-blowing truth. Your thoughts aren't facts. They're just noise. Thoughts are like pigeons in a city. Most of them are annoying, some are slightly insane, and none of them should be living rent-free in your head. The problem is, we treat every random thought like it's a sacred prophecy. What if I mess up tomorrow's meeting? What if I embarrass myself? What if I sneeze and explode? Relax. Your brain throws out hundreds of useless thoughts a day, and most of them are about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. But here's where it gets spicy. The more attention you give these thoughts, the louder they get. Your brain is like a toddler. Ignore its tantrum, and it quiets down. Engage with it, and now you're both screaming in target. So what do? Step 1. Zoom out. Imagine you're watching your life from the moon. Are you really going to care, 5 years from now, that you called your teacher mom? No. You'll be too busy trying to survive adulthood and taxes. Perspective kills panic. Step 2. Get physical. No, not like that. I mean literally move. Overthinking thrives in stillness. That's why it loves showing up when you're lying in bed or staring at a wall. Walk. Stretch. Do 5 push-ups and collapse dramatically. Remind your body it exists. When your body is active, your brain gets distracted. It's like giving a hyperdog a chew toy made of endorphins. Also, and I say this with love, you're not a mind reader. You don't know what everyone's thinking, so stop acting like it. That person who looked at you funny might have just had gas. Not everything is a hidden message. This isn't a thriller movie. You're not Jason Bourne. Calm down. And now the ultimate power move. Laugh at your thoughts. Yes, really. Overthinking loses its grip the moment you stop taking it seriously. If your brain says, "What if everyone hates me?" reply with "Cool, then I'll finally have time to catch up on laundry." Sarcasm isn't just a defense mechanism. It's a weapon. Use it. Will overthinking completely disappear? Probably not. Your brain will still try to drag you into existential spirals at 2 a.m. That's its kink. But now you'll be ready. You'll see the storm coming and say, "Ah yes, we're being dramatic again," and just let it pass. And here's the twist nobody tells you. The less you try to control your thoughts, the more control you actually gain. Think of it like holding water. Grip too tight and it slips through your fingers. Loosen up and it stays. At the end of the day, overthinking is just your brain trying to protect you in the most unhelpful way possible. It wants to prepare you for every outcome, but ends up preparing you for a mental breakdown instead. Thank it for its service, then tell it to take the rest of the day off. So next time you're spiraling about something that literally doesn't matter, remember, your brain is just yelling into the void. You don't have to listen. Now go. Be chaotic, weird, and wonderfully imperfect. And if your brain starts another episode of What If, the anxiety series, just roll your eyes and change the channel. You're the one holding the remote. Let me guess. Your brain ever make you panic over something so small it could legally be considered dust? Like, what if I walked weird in front of that one person I'll never see again? Or they said LOL instead of haha. Should I fake my death now? I want you to comment the most absolutely nonsensical, hilariously pointless thing you ever overthought. Seriously, go full unhinged. I'll be reading through them and awarding imaginary medals.